Hello friends, we are going to discuss about some flexi schemes. Uh, it may be useful for RSSB and RPSC exams for Rajasthan. So many schemes are belongs to many, various departments like rural development department, and we will cover in rural development department some schemes like Namo Drone Didi, सोलर दीदी, लखपति दीदी, बैंक सखी दीदी, कृषि सखी दीदी, and pasu saki, that will schemes are there. So second one we will see panchayati raj department, and that there we will cover some schemes like स्वामित्व योजना, अटल ज्ञान केंद्र, Swachh Bharat mission, that will be in rural development. Okay, not in rural development, it basically belongs to rural area. ठीक है, मुख्यमंत्री जल स्वावलंबन अभियान, इट्स ओके 2.0, ये mainly remember this one कि this one अभियान 2.0 okay. And then third department is medical and health department. We will see Pradhan Mantri Ayushman Bharat Health Infrastructure Mission. Okay, and another department is autonomous governance department. We will see and we will cover some schemes like Swachh Bharat mission. Remember this one, urban area. Okay, metro city like Jaipur, and Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, urban area. Mukhyamantri Saunidhi Yojana, urban area. Okay, some other departments like public health and engineering department, Jal Jeevan mission, Amurtya Yojana. Okay, and after that one we will see public works department. Okay, it will be cover Atal Pragati Path. ठीक है, प्रधानमंत्री सड़क योजना. Okay, and another department is planning department. Panchgaurav Yojana, it's important. Okay, another department is energy department. We will see in Kusum scheme. It is very important. We will see many exams, and last 5 years many schemes are there. Some like school education department like Mukhyamantri Shikshit Rajasthan Abhiyan, and another one is women and child department, Lado Protsahan Yojana. Okay, and agriculture and horticulture department, Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. And industry department we will see PM Vishwakarma scheme. This that one scheme already asked in many various examinations. And groundwater department. Okay, Karam Bhumi se Mathrubhumi Abhiyan. Okay, food and civil supplies department, families, it will cover families under NFSA. Okay, and some we have to see right now broadly like rural development. Its target 2047. Okay, it's cover housing, PM Janman, and PM Awas rural, and employment department, and we will say in employment Rajivika. It's mainly two component, NRLM and NRETP. Okay, and third one is Manrega. Okay, CMREGS scheme, CMREGS like Manrega schemes. ठीक है, regional development में we will see MAGRA areas. ठीक है, Magra areas. ठीक है, मेवात areas, डांग areas, and ब्रज area, ट्राइबल एरिया. ठीक है, इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट जोन we will see many various components like MLAD, MLA, LAD, and Amritsar or etc. Okay, and we have to see some basically we know rural development and Panchayati Raj came in 1999. Okay, and Rajivika we have to see NRLM Rajivika. So basically NRLM, it's have center and state like contribution 60:40. NRLM national, we have to national rural livelihood mission, ठीक है. Okay, तो it's a 60:40 like fund. And NRETP national rural economic transformation project. Okay, it will cover still 9 districts and 35 blocks and completed in 2024, and it's funded by World Bank also. Okay, and we have to see RGAVP Rajasthan Gramin Ajivika Vikas Parishad. Okay, we have to see it's an autonomous society. Okay, and Society Registration Act 19 established under the 1958 Society Registration Act. Okay, and its chairman will be CM. Okay, CM. Its objective is inclusive growth, financial inclusion, and livelihood. Its main component, main objective. And RGAVP Rajasthan Gramin Ajivika Vikas Parishad, RGAVP. ठीक है. We have to see various some small योजनाज like it under the cover of RGAVP, and we have to see like Vandhan Vikas Yojana. Okay, and still developed 517 developed centers like Vandhan Vikas Yojana Development Center 517. Okay, and it have to cover 8 districts also, like Hadoti region, mainly Hadoti region, and we have to see like Siroi, Udaipur, Jhalawad, Banswara, Dungarpur, Pratapgarh, Kota, Bara. Okay, and Vandhan Vikas Yojana, it's cover 517 development centers established right still. And second one, Ujala Milk Production Company Limited. It's promote 40,000 woman milk producer worker. ठीक है, woman milk producer worker, and it's cover of 6 districts like Hadoti regions, and Hadoti regions Kota, Bara, Kota, Bara. Okay, Hadoti regions Bundi, and Sawai Madhopur, Jhalawad, Karoli, it's cover up. ठीक है. Okay, and third one we have to see Udan scheme. It's came in 2021. Okay, and Udan scheme we have to see it's mainly woman hygienicity. ठीक है, woman hygiene. It's provided 12 free sanitary pads like in schools, colleges, Anganwadi Kendra. Okay, so yeah, only this one Udan scheme, it's implemented all Rajasthan, all districts, all Rajasthans it implemented. Okay, and the fourth one we have to see Rajasthan Mahila Nidhi scheme. Rajasthan Mahila Nidhi scheme, it's came in 2022. Okay, it's provide loan. Its main aim is basically its main provision provide the loan. Okay, so its target is 40,000 rupees. It will be if we have to apply for 40,000 or less, then we have to approve the they will approve the loan in 48 hours, and if we apply for 40K, they will approve it to 15 days. Okay, so its interest rate between 2 to 5% vary. Its interest rate vary 2 to 5%, 2 to 5%, 2 to 5%, and subsidy by states it will be 8%. It will be 8%. Okay, and some important like Apna Mahila Nidhi mobile app also launched by government. Okay, Rajasthan Mahila Nidhi scheme. It's this loan is provided under the Rajasthan Mahila Cooperative Society, I think. Okay, and fifth one is Hadoti Woman Farmer Producer Company. Okay, Hadoti Woman Farmer Producer Company. Like we have to see Kota Para. Okay, Kota Para, and mainly they produce like soybean cultivation, coriander. Okay, coriander, like okay, good. Sixth one is Namo Drone Didi. It's came into enforce 2023. Okay, and agricultural they according to this scheme they will provide agriculture drones, and its target 15,000 agriculture drones, like women's trend under the self-helping groups, and started in Gadepan village and Kota Gadepan place in it belongs to Kota. Okay, and it started in March 2024. Okay, came into force to March 2024. Okay, 24. Okay, and another is Drone Saki training center. Okay, 15 days they will provide training, and they will like stipend like 1,500 monthly to women. Okay, and 80% of cost, or 80%. Okay, 80% of cost over up to 8 lakh, they will provide them. They will provide like loan or subsidy, like, and other in the form of helping like self-helping groups up to 8 lakh. 50 drones in 46 block of 30 districts. 30 districts. Okay, 50 drones. 50 drones they have provided to 30 districts. Okay, another seventh schemes we have to share Solar Didi. Okay, it's Solar Didi. It's you have to remember this thing. You have to remember this thing. Age 20 to 45 years vary. Okay, not less than 20 year. Okay, like they, and more, not more 45 years. Okay, and Solar Didi it's came under the rural development department, and it's basically necessary, or we can say it's qualification like 10th pass, but they will primarily focus priority to 12th pass. 12th pass, and they will provide like a stipend like 2,000 rupees per month. Okay, Solar Didi they will teach about solar systems, and 2025 to 26 their targets 25,000 solar didis, 25 solar didis, and it's achieved by December 2025. Okay, it's achieved 25,000 solar didis, and what is the stipend like 2,000 per month. And another one is Lakshpati Didi. It's Lakshmati Didi, that is came in the news. Okay, 2023 it's came. And empowerment of women. Okay, it's aim to empowerment of women. Okay, empowerment of women. Uh, it helps these women. They have income 1 lakh per year. They have income only 1 lakh per year. Okay. State target state target is 20 lakh. 20 lakh Lakshmati Didi to make 20 lakh Lakshmati Didi. Okay. And Bank Sakhi, its main aim to aware about banking services for women. Okay, for women like opening accounts, pension, Manrega, that one. Okay, they have to get their money in from Manrega schemes in their accounts. And 7,104 women digital Sakhi. 7104 women digital Sakhi we have to achieve made. Okay. And they provide like digital like phone pay, DG pay Sakhi. Okay. And 6053 women business correspondent Sakhi. ठीक है, business correspondent Sakhi. Okay. And 10th one Pasu Sakhi. Pasu Sakhi. Okay. They will provide 4-day training, 4 days training about animal husbandry under the Pasu Sakhi scheme. Oh, and honorarium 1500 rupees for 1500 rupees only. Okay. Kirsi Sakhi 56 days of agriculture training. Kirsi Sakhi 56 days of agriculture. And Pasu Sakhi 4 days training. Okay. And stipend like 1500 rupees. Okay. MG Nareg, ठीक है, MGNREGS मनरेगा like the मनरेगा schemes Act 2000 Act passed in 2005 and implemented in 2006, and it's implemented in whole country 2008. Okay. And its name change MG Manrega Mahatma Gandhi National Rural. Okay. 2009 unskilled manual. It's an unskilled manual. Okay. It's funding like center provides 60% and the state 40%. But we can see like this one. Like northeast and Himalayan region, northeast and Himalayan region, they will provide it 90:10. Okay. And it's provide 100 days guaranteed employment. Okay. 15 days if 15 days if employment not provided. In 15 days if employment not provided, so government must provide unemployment allowance to worker. Okay. And they will provide 15 days photo job card. Okay. If beyond 5 kilometer radius from your area, if you beyond 5 kilometer radius, they will provide you 10% extra wage. Women participation like 1/3. Okay. But in Rajasthan 50% participations. Okay. Expenditure on work, we have to expenditure on labor products, 60:40. MG Manrega, it's provide if we have to see it's Manrega 100 days, and its update version is vibrant gram. Okay. It's provide 125 days employment. Okay. 125 days employment. Earlier it's I already told you, earlier it's 90 ratio 10, but now 60 ratio 40 for states, but we have to see northeast and union territories, it's still 90 ratio 10. ठीक है on okay. The CM REGS, okay, we have to see CM REGS. We have to see Chief Minister Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme, okay, it's mainly 100 to 125 days scheme. 100 to 125 days they will provide employment, and extra 100 days of employment they will provide, like Bara district, and it's only belongs to Sahariya tribe. And second one is Udaipur, and Udaipur's Kathodi Udaipur's Kathodi tribe, okay, and they will provide extra 100 days of employment for especially able persons also, okay. And another one we have to see like Mission Amrit Sarovar. It came in 2022, and it's basically its target to improve the groundwater level by the rain, conserve the rainwater, okay. So it's state target 2475 points 2475 points for state target, and 75 Amrit Sarovar, okay. We have to see in every district of country, each district of the country, its target, it's we can say its goal 75 Amrit Sarovar for each district of the country, okay. And like one pond, if we have to say like one pond, it's cover the area 1 acre land, okay. And water holding capacity 10,000 cubic meter, okay. And its first phase it's completed 313 Sarovars in its first phase. And second phase we have to see 601 Sarovars to cover up, okay. Another one scheme is Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gram Yojana. It's came into force 2025, and according to BPL, census 2002, and to 22 lakh families living below the poverty line, 22 lakh families living below the poverty line, okay. And census we have to refer the census 2000 to 2002, and it came into first 2025, okay. It's phases like phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, okay. In first phase they have to cover 5,000 villages. In second phase they also 5,000 villages also covered, and in third phase 10,000 villages they have to cover, and it's 100% state funded scheme, 100% state sponsored scheme, Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Garibi Mukt Gram Yojana, okay. Garibi Mukt Gram Yojana, they have to they have to divide it into 3 phases, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, and they have to cover 5,000 villages in first phase, and in second phase also 5,000, and third phase 10,000 villages. Okay, and remember this one thing: 22 lakh families living below the poverty line according to 2002 census, and 100% state funded scheme. Okay, okay, students. Thanks.